Hi guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Danny and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video that I'm going to be posting. Of course there's going to be more content coming though. So I'm going to be showing you guys swatches. I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to get this look, and I'm also going to be giving my very honest review. I did not get this at a PR or anything, it's my first video. I got this with my own money, so if you want to see how to get this look and to know my opinion about everything else, then please keep watching. But today we're going to be reviewing the Kathleen Lights ColourPop collection. We have the eyeshadow palette, two liquid eyeshadow shades over here, an astrology constellation. Last but not least, we have the lipstick shades over here.
Okay, you guys, here are the swatches from the Zodiac palette. Okay, you guys, here are the rest of the swatches from the highlighter, lipstick, and supernova shadows. Now I'm just priming my lids using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden. And I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye as well. Okay, you guys, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder all over the lids. I find that this little trick actually helps to keep the primer locked into place so it won't crease or smudge your eyeshadows, and it's especially perfect for people who have oily skin and oily lids. I'm going in with the shade Sagittarius all over the crease. Now I'm going in with the shade Capricorn, and I'm just going to pack that shade all over the lid. Now using Virgo, I'm putting that on the outer V.
5 more hours, we just getting started. 5 more hours, we just getting started.
I'm just going back in with Sagittarius and reapplying it on the crease.
How you wanna feel, baby? What you wanna know? Just pour another drink, baby. Come on, pour a little more. I treat you like a real lady. I'll keep you at the cold.
I'm just doing the same thing here and reapplying Capricorn all over the lids.
I'll give you all my time, baby. You know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still there with you.
Now using the Supernova shadow in the shade Constellation, I'm going to be applying that to the tear ducts of my eyes.
5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'll be back with you. This is, yeah, this right here is my time.
Now using the shade Sagittarius again, we're just going to run this along the lower lash line, connecting it right to where Constellation is applied in the tear duct.
Party. Yeah, 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 yeah. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. This right here is my type of party. No, this is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just.
Okay, you guys, now we're just going to take the shade Virgo and do the same thing that we did with Sagittarius and apply it on the lower lash line. We're going to connect it to Virgo that's in the outer V as well, just making sure that both shades blend beautifully together.
Five more hours, we just getting started. Just getting started. I follow the sound of your heartbeat, how it always calls me, finding my way back to you. I'm feeling it.
Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna go and do the rest of my face, and then we're gonna come back for the highlighter and the lipstick shade. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I did the rest of my face, as you can tell. And now we're just gonna go in with the highlighter and the lipstick. I decided to choose the shade On the Cusp.
More now than ever, I'll do this forever, just to spend the night with you. This is, yeah. This right here is my type of party. Oh, yeah. 5 more hours, we're just getting started.
Okay, so this is how it looks. It's pretty. I'm just gonna take some now with my finger, and I'm gonna put it here, right under the eyebrow. Just blend that in with my finger.
This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started.
And we're gonna also go with the shade Scorpio Moon.
5 more hours, we're just getting started.
Okay, you guys, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm pretty sure this is the part that you guys have been waiting for too. My official verdict on these: I love the collection. It's creative, it's fun. Anything astrology I'm gonna get because I love it. And as for the palette, it is completely beautiful. I really like this. I really like the creativity and idea of it all. Okay, you guys, so my only complaint about this palette is the shades Taurus, which is right over here, and Aquarius. They're just not that pigmented, so I feel like that's a loss because it's 2 shades right there that it's gonna give people some problems. Other than that, I really liked it. There was no fallout, so I know that people like to do their makeup in different orders. Some people, they like to do like the full face and then they'll do their eyeshadow. Some people, like myself, we like to do our eyeshadow and then do the rest of our face afterwards. So there will be no problem there. Even if you need to go in and touch up something real quick, no fallout, which is perfect. So this Zodiac palette, for me, it's gonna get 9.5 stars out of 10. For the Super Shock shadows, I would say that these are really pretty. They're like a creamy, satiny type of consistency, so they're not really powdery. It could be built up to the kind of blindness that you want for your highlight. So these, no problem for me whatsoever. I'll give these a 9 out of 10. Okay, and now we have the liquid eyeshadows. From what I saw, I mean, it's okay. It's not really to my liking. I'm more of like a powdery eyeshadow kind of girl, but these pretty much got the job done. I only used it in the tear duct, so I would say 9 out of 10 too. And last but not least, we have the lipstick shades over here in What's Your Sign and Scorpio Moon. I feel like they're gorgeous. They're really pretty, and it could do a lot to finish up the looks because with the palette alone, there's a lot of looks you can make as well with the liquid eyeshadows. Overall, this entire collection for me, it got a 2 thumbs up and is damn approved. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you like this look and you like this video overall, then just please subscribe down below and turn on the post notifications to be notified about when I'm going to be uploading more videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye!
What you wanna do, baby?